Hi Stampin' friends, tonight we're going to use the Heartfelt Hellos SaleABration stamp set. This stamp set is one of the ones that you can choose for with a $50 purchase and for SaleABration, which ends the 29th of February. You can see this stamp set has several different useful sentiments. Love you more, Dad, you're the best, Happy Mother's Day, hello, enjoy your day, and then thinking of you this Easter. So it has some nice fonts that I like, and they're kind of made to coordinate with the, with the hexagon punch. They do all fit in there, different sizes within it, and they're pretty cute. Then we're also using the Sunny Days SaleABration paper. It has this poppy kind of print, and on the back has a petal pink, kind of just a grid. Then it has cherries on one side, and the back side is a pool party stripe. Then this one has some kind of Art Deco-y looking clouds. They're just sort of different prints on the clouds, so that's pretty cute. And I think we're gonna see what it looks like with the papers or the stamps from the hot air balloon. I think that'll look cute. Then this one has both clouds and raindrops, which could look cute with the, remember our little puddle guys, with the cute little, like raccoon, I think maybe he was a fox, I don't know. But anyway, that's perfect for using with something like that. Then we have this one, which is a shaded spruce floral. The back side is a kind of a monochrome rainbow. Then this particular pattern is really cute. It has some really happy flowers on it, and the back side of it, let me see if I can get it. Yeah, there we go. Has little sunshines, which is perfect for like an enjoy your day or something like that. It's like kind of a cute one. Then this paper has strawberries, and you can see I've cut some off because I thought they were cute. Some of the cuter strawberries. I don't know that I would necessarily cut out white or petal pink. That's the peach. I don't know that I would necessarily cut those out, exactly, but the red ones looks really cute cut out. And the back side of it is the crushed curry, kind of a bright yellow butterflies. So I've just got a quick as a bunny video tonight. I don't think that this one lends itself to a whole lot of techniques. Of course you can always do, with a sentiment, you could always do a baby wipe ink pad, have it go gradients of color and maybe from red to yellow or something like that. But I didn't come up with anything like that tonight. I just wanted to kind of show you some quick cards with this because it has been a while since I've done some really quick cards. And I think this paper and these sentiments lend themselves to that. So the first thing I did was kind of pick some colors I thought looked nice. And then I also did some stamping of these sentiments, some on white. And then I did this in our Poppy Parade, which is the color that they say goes with this, on Pool Party, just to kind of give it a little more depth and something different to look at when we get on here. So the first thing I wanted to do was just kind of show you a couple of these with the card base. So this is, again, our Poppy Parade, and you could focus on just the red. It would be cute also to get some of your, this is shaded spruce, and then it has a little line of just some of our smoky slate in the background. So that could be really cute. And then just put a bow. Now this is actually supposed to be, I believe, a bow that is soft sorbet or sweet sorbet, but I think it blends nicely with this and would look really cute. So I got this one end a little bit long there. Take that off. There we are. Perfect. Okay. So something like this, and that makes a quick card and super simple. Also, something to think about is when you have these little guys left over from maybe some Valentine looks, it would be super cute to use some of these little daisy shapes on here, and that would also add. So just do that and you're finished. Super quick card. All right. Then, just a second. my next one, I was just kind of playing with this. This was one I considered here. I started to go ahead and put this in as the, as a side, you know, just like a little focal point, but I don't know about this one. I don't know about this one, guys. I mean, that might be one that's a problem to use for all of us. I'm not really sure about that one. This one I wanted to show you is this is our little strawberry. And then I thought I would do the Love You More and use our Poppy Parade. Just gonna stamp it real quick. Try not to catch an edge or anything. Right in the middle, because if I don't, it won't be, I didn't get a very big piece of white cardstock there, so I want to be sure that I get it on here nicely. I think I have enough room for it. I think that will work. A little Love You More. This is, you know, you're just trying to get it side to side fairly even, and then straight up and down. Okay. So there's my Love You More. Oh, I got it, kind of did a little side turn there, but there you can see that is super easy to put on there. And with the Love You More, you probably would want to use some of your little hearts. So this is a perfect way to use your petal pink hearts and your red hearts on this, and that would be super sweet. Then could do the same thing. I wanted to kind of talk to you about this. I thought this looked like a white, and then after I thought about it, I wasn't totally sure, because I do think that it looks a little bit like petal pink. So I think that that would be pretty to use on there as your Mother's Day kind of a look. And then certainly anytime that you're using the petal pink, we have this really pretty striped petal pink ribbon in the big catalog. Don't forget about it, because it is really pretty and sweet. So that would be a nice one to put in there, of course. Just kind of add a little more petal pink to this. I think that's kind of cute. And then I wanted to go ahead with this one and show you the real beauty of this paper, I think, is this one. And so it would, of course, make a gorgeous Mother's Day card. Pop this guy right on there as well. And then you could also make it an Easter card, or use it with the hello. And I think this is one that you would probably use up every piece of this paper, because it's so pretty. You could also, it's going to look great, of course, on the Poppy Parade, and it's also going to look great on the pool party. It really makes it kind of pop. So this particular one is so nice. And maybe you could put, this is what I was going to do, actually. Cut out a little bit of this right here with the top. Let's see if I can do that with my pieces that I had set aside earlier. Just one sec. I think I have one here, yeah. Okay, so what I was imagining was getting this paper and just popping the top right across there. I don't know if I have it centered, but we'll see. Okay. And then putting that at the top of what we've punched here. See if I can make this make any sense at all. There we go. Okay, I'm going to hold it up there for you and see if you can see it. So yeah, like just to make it look like a little sunshine, I would probably go in and cut off a little more of this so that you just have the sunshine up there. But I just thought that could make a cute little focal point there that you aren't expecting. So I'll try that and have that ready for you for one of the cards when I put this on my blog. Okay, so now you can see this cute little pattern here with just the clouds. That's the top part of this one that has the little raindrops at the bottom. Or these bigger clouds that definitely are a lot of fun and have some dark clouds and some light clouds kind of sprinkled in. And I just kind of wanted to grab a couple of pieces here and just kind of show you some possibilities. Like you could put a little yellow hot air balloon. Let me find my basket. I know I saw him sitting here. There he is. Little basket. And any one of these would be cute. You could use the patterns, the papers that you have in some of this. You could use some of these florals, and that would be cute. And then some from the actual paper. And this, to me, adding another color kind of gives this a little more interest and a little more fun as you're going through this. So then you might still say, thinking of you on Easter, you might say a variety of different things, but just something a little different and a little fun with that one. So, oh, and I forgot to show you this on the strawberry. I'm just not for remembering things tonight. So for the strawberry one where we were talking about putting on love, I thought it'd be cute to put that guy right up at the top or over to the side, something so that you can see you've added a little more strawberry of a look to it. So a lot of possibilities with this, putting that at the top. And we had this one where I thought it kind of looked like these were a little bit of the petal pink because they're not a stark white on there. That could be pretty. And then your enjoy your day with the cherries and the little cutie pie ribbon on there. And then, of course, some of these pastels would be gorgeous with the pool party, and our guys over here for our bright colors. Super cute. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye.